Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I'm featuring a fancy fold. So this is one of the examples in your kit. The only thing that it will be missing is the vellum leaves and the pretty peacock leaves. This was the inspiration. I got a card from my friend Bonnie, and look at how it came. So cute. So it's a different fold, different way of doing a card using up your designer series paper. So I thought it was so cute that I am giving you two examples. The one is going to be the Come Together designer series paper, and the second one is going to be the Monster Bash designer series paper. And this is how you put it together. So there's either white or very vanilla card front, almost front, I guess. And you put that on the inside. Then you're going to take this little corner and flip it on the very back side and then adhere it down into that top corner. You're going to take a ruler or something straight, and then, or even your scoring tool on your trimmer. And then you're just going to fold it over. I figured this was going to be the easiest way that I could explain. You could cut off that paper if you wanted to. I thought it was fine. So I'm going to use a dimensional just to hold it down. And now I'm going to, the hardest part about this for you guys is to figure out which pattern paper that you want showing on the front and which pattern paper you want showing on the back. So I went with this book one on the front, and then it is embossed with the new scrolls embossing folder. And then I used two pieces of the Monster Bash designer series paper, one busy and one not so busy. I liked the spider webs. And then there's a little strip here, and I put that over top of the scrolled, I can't remember what it's called, but it's the embossed paper. So just to give it a little bit of zhuzh, if you will, I put dimensionals on the back of my little Frankenstein dude and put him right on the front of the card so that there's something to look on. Now I used a Wish for Everything because I don't have a Halloween stamp set, but a Wish for Everything has this sentiment in there. I can't read it right now. It's something about having a sugary treat, and I stamped it incorrectly. It was crooked. So here I am fixing my mistake. If you stamp something crooked, just stamp it again on the same color paper and pop it up with dimensionals, and no one will know. So you guys aren't going to tell, right? All right. So, and it works perfectly. And I thought that the middle piece was kind of a little bare, so I decorated it with just a little bit more of this paper. Now you won't get a lot of extras, but I would love to see what you come up with your stash. So you can go ahead and post that on my Facebook if you want. But that is my card kit for the month. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.